You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast from SDC International Shipping. Today, we're going to be talking about one of the most emotional and logistical challenges of any international move, shipping your furniture and household items across the ocean. You're not just moving stuff, you're moving a story. Think about your couch, your kitchen table, your grandfather's chest. These aren't just objects, they're chapters of your life. And when you move across the ocean, they come with you. At SDC, we know that. That's why we treat every shipment like it holds a story, because it does. Now let's talk air freight versus sea freight. Let's talk strategy. There are two ways to ship your items, air or sea. Air freight is fast. Think laptops, documents, baby gear, things you need immediately. But it's also expensive. And that's why families ship their essentials by air and the rest by sea. Sea freight is the most common option for full home moves. It's more affordable and better suited for furniture, bulkier items. Here's container options. You're going to choose between full container load for moving entire household. It gives you exclusive use of a 20 or 40 foot container. Less than container load, also known as groupage. You share space with others and it's ideal for smaller shipments. We'll help you pick the best option based on your timeline, budget, and the size of your move. Packing the right way. Shipping overseas means bumps, handling, and inspections. That's why professional packing matters. We disassemble large furniture, use industrial-grade wrap, and crate fragile items like mirrors and heirlooms. For high-value items, we built custom wooden crates for added protection. Don't want full-service packing? No problem. We'll supply material and guidance so you can pack like a pro. Here's what to take and what to leave. Before you pack, sort your belongings. Ship it, sell it or donate it, or store it. Shipping costs depend on volume and weight, so be intentional. Every item should earn its space in the container. Moving internationally is more than a shipment, it's a milestone. And whether you're moving a studio or a family estate, we treat every piece with the respect it deserves. Call us at 877-339-0269 or visit SDC International Shipping to request a quote.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.